आप लोग? माय नेम इज टीशा एंड स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट की मिक्स प्रैक्टिस। इसमें असर्टिव, नेगेटिव, एक्सक्लेमेटरी, इंट्रोगेटिव सभी टाइप्स के सेंटेंसेस होंगे डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट के। तो आज हम वो मिक्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। He said, I am happy. देखिए ये सभी सेंटेंसेस का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो मैंने आपको इनके पहले पार्ट में यानी कि 1, 2, 3 तीनों पार्ट में आपको इनका एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दिया है। तो आज हम उसकी मिक्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। आज मैं आपको कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दूंगी। He said, I am happy. He said that he was happy. She said, we love music. उसने कहा कि हमें म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद है। She said that they loved music. They said it is easy. उन्होंने कहा कि ये बहुत ही easy है। They said that it was easy. Ramesh said I can run fast. रमेश ने कहा कि मैं फास्ट दौड़ सकता हूँ। रमेश said that he could run fast. She said you are my friend. उसने कहा कि तुम मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हो। She said that I was her friend. He said I play cricket. He said that he played cricket. They said we are ready. उन्होंने कहा कि हम रेडी है। They said that they were ready. We are का were हो गया। She said he is a teacher. उसने कहा कि वह एक टीचर है। She said that he was a teacher. He said I like this place. उसने कहा कि मुझे यह जगह बहुत ही पसंद है। He said that he liked that place. Mother said the food is tasty. मम्मी ने कहा कि ये जो खाना है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, टेस्टी है। Mother said that the food was tasty. He said we can win. उसने कहा कि हम जीत सकते हैं। He said that they could win. She said I am strong. उसने कहा कि मैं strong हूँ। She said that she was strong. He said I don't like tea. He said that he didn't like tea. उसने कहा कि उसे चाय नहीं पसंद है। तो उसका इनडायरेक्ट में ऐसे होगा कि he didn't like tea. She said I am not angry. She said that she was not angry. और आप यहाँ पर she wasn't angry भी बोल सकते हैं। They said we don't play football. उन्होंने कहा कि हम फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते हैं। They said that they didn't play football. He said I like coffee. He said that he liked coffee. She said we are friends. She said that they were friends. Father said I am proud of you. पिताजी ने कहा कि हम proud हैं तुमसे। Father said that he was proud of me. He said I can't swim or I cannot swim. He said that he couldn't swim or could not swim. She said I don't know him. She said that she didn't know him. He said I am not ready. उसने कहा कि मैं अभी रेडी नहीं हूँ। He said that he was not ready. They said we are not late. उसने कहा कि हम लेट नहीं हैं। They said that they were not late. She said, I won't come. She said that she wouldn't come. Want का wouldn't हो गया. He said, I am not your enemy. He said that he was not my enemy. Enemy यानी कि दुश्मन. Mother said, this is not clean. Mother said that was not clean. Mother ने कहा कि ये जो पहला that है वो के को represent करता है और दूसरा that है this का यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट में जो this है वो इनडायरेक्ट में that हो गया, उसका that है. He said, I don't eat meat. He said that he didn't eat meat or he did not eat meat. She said, I can't dance. She said that she couldn't dance. He said, are you fine? उसने पूछा कि क्या तुम ठीक हो? He asked, पूछा if I was fine. She said, do you read books? She asked if I read books. They said, will you help us? They asked if I could help them. Help यानी कि मदद करना. He said, can you drive? उसने पूछा कि क्या तुम ड्राइव कर सकते हो? He asked if I could drive. She said, where are you going? उसने पूछा कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? She asked where I was going. She said, what is your name? She asked what my name was. They said, when will you come? उसने पूछा कि तुम कब आओगे? They asked when I would come. She said, why are you sad? She asked why I was sad. He said, how do you cook rice? उसने पूछा कि तुम राइस कैसे कुक करते हो, कैसे बनाते हो? He asked how I cooked rice. She said, who is he? She asked who he was. He said, is this your book? He asked if that was my book. This का that हो गया. She said, do you like music? She asked if I liked music. He said, did you meet her? He asked if I had met her. She said, are they ready? She asked if they were ready. He said, what happened? He asked what had happened. He said, what a beautiful day. He exclaimed. आप यहाँ पर said के बजाय अगर exclamatory sentence है तो आप यहाँ पर exclaimed का भी use कर सकते हैं कि he explained that it was a beautiful day. अगर यहाँ पर आपने exclaimed लिखा है तो आपको what लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. She said, how nice you are. उसने कहा कि तुम बहुत ही अच्छे हो. She exclaimed that I was very nice. He said, what a surprise. He exclaimed with surprise. With surprise यानी कि surprise, अगर आपको कोई surprise देता है आप कैसे surprise हो जाते हो, तो उस surprise के expression के साथ वो exclaim हुआ. She said, how clever you are. She said, तुम कितने clever हो, चतुर हो. She exclaimed that I was very clever. He said, what a big house. यानी कि बहुत कितना बड़ा घर है. He exclaimed that it was a very big house. यानी कि बहुत बड़ा घर है. She said how sweet this is. कितना मीठा है ये. She exclaimed that was very sweet. That यानी कि पहला that यानी कि के, और दूसरा that this को ट्रांसलेट हुआ. He said what a joke. उसने कहा कि कैसा जोक है, कितना अच्छा जोक है. He exclaimed that it was a joke. He said what a pity. He exclaimed that it was a pity. She said how cold it is. She exclaimed that it was very cold. He said what a great idea. Great यानी कि कितना अच्छा आइडिया है. He exclaimed that it was a great idea. He said what a foolish boy. He exclaimed that he was a foolish boy. Foolish यानी कि कितना वो ना समझ है. Foolish है, fool है. She said how fast he runs. She exclaimed that he ran very fast. He said what a shame. कितनी शर्म की बात है. He exclaimed that it was a shame. She said how lucky you are. उसने कहा कि तुम कितने लकी हो. She exclaimed that I was very lucky. He said what a beautiful flower. He exclaimed that it was a beautiful flower. Priya said we love music. प्रिया ने कहा कि हमें म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Priya said that they love music. Mohan said it is easy. मोहन ने कहा कि ये बहुत ही आसान है, easy है. Mohan said that it was easy. Sita said I can run fast. Sita said that she could run fast. Suresh said I don't like tea. सुरेश ने कहा कि मुझे चाय नहीं पसंद है. Suresh said that he didn't like tea. अंजलि said I am not angry. अंजलि ने कहा कि मैं गुस्से नहीं हूँ. अंजलि said that she was not angry. मोहित said we didn't eat lunch. मोहित ने कहा कि हमने लंच नहीं किया है. मोहित said that they hadn't eaten lunch. रमेश said are you fine? रमेश ने पूछा कि क्या तुम ठीक हो. रमेश asked if I was fine. Radha said what are you doing? Radha asked what I was doing. Neha said who gave you this? Neha asked who had given me that. This का that हो गया. Rani said how old are you? रानी ने पूछा how old I was. Shreya said we don't lie. हम झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. Shreya said that they didn't lie. रोहित said we are busy. रोहित ने कहा कि हम busy हैं. रोहित said that they were busy. तो ये है हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पेज, यहाँ पर ऐसे कई सारे रील्स आती है जिनसे आपको इंग्लिश सीखने को मिलता है. तो प्लीज़ आप इसे फॉलो कर दीजिए. और ये है हमारी व्हाट्सएप चैनल, यहाँ पर भी ऐसे कई सारी लिंक्स, वीडियोस, डेली लाइफ सेंटेंसेस, रील्स सब कुछ आता है. तो आप इसे भी ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है, आप वहाँ से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच वीडियो को देखने के लिए. वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. मिलते हैं कल ऐसे ही वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.